Good morning all of you. Hope you all are fine. So today we will study new chapter, that is chapter number 9, reaching out. Here reaching out means to make an effort to communicate with people. So in this chapter we will study different means of communication. For example, if you want to talk to your friend or relative who lives far from you or in some other city or country, so how will you contact him or her? Obviously, through means of communication. But the very first question arises that what are means of communication? So, the various methods through which we send and receive messages are called means of communication. Now we will study various means of communication one by one in detail. First, letters. Letters are the most common means of communication, and postcard, inland letters, envelopes and aerograms are the different kinds of letter, and we can buy them from the post office. For letter writing, PIN code is very must. PIN code is postal index number. It should be there with the address if we want to send a letter. We use speed post service if we want a letter to be delivered faster. And parcel containing gift and other item can be sent through courier. Now come to second means of communication, that is telephone or mobile phones. Nowadays we mostly use mobile phone or telephone to communicate with the person living in or other cities and even in other countries also. And telephone or mobile phone is the fastest means of communication, and through mobile phone we can send messages also, or even we can also talk when we are traveling. Now, fax machine. Fax machine is used to send a written message, a letter or a photograph to someone. It reads instantly since it is connected to a telephone line. Now, next means of communication is internet. Nowadays, internet has become the most important means of communication, as you can see that in this pandemic situation we are able to study just because of internet. It has made our lives much easier and enabled us to do lot of work in second. The electronic mail, short form is email, is a means of communication that works through the internet, and we can send videos, pictures, letters and books from one computer to another using the internet. The internet can also be used to get weather reports and the latest information from all over the world. Students, you should know that letters, telephones, mobile phones and computers are known as personal means of communication. Why? Because they are used to communicate between two people or a small group of people. That is why they are known as personal means of communication. Now the last topic of this chapter is mass communication. Now what is mass communication? Mass communication means sending or giving information to a large number of people at the same time. For example, we give news through newspaper to a large number of people at the same time. So it is called mass communication. Newspapers, radio and television are the main means of mass communication. Now here the chapter is over. In the next video I'll give you the exercises of this chapter. Till then, bye bye, take care.